Good morning, children. Welcome back to online class Geography part, a second lesson, Climate and Natural Vegetation of India lesson. Okay, so in this lesson, what are the things we are going to learn in the sense? What are the factors controlling? Yes, what are the factors affecting the climate of India or controlling the climate of India? Yes, that's the first one. The next one, different seasons of India. Yes, what are the types of the seasons are there in the sense? Winter season, summer season, southeast monsoon, northeast monsoon, such a variety of seasons are available in India. Yes, regarding that also we are going to learn. Then third one is, distribution of rainfall. Yes, so some areas, receiving heavy rainfall area, some areas very less rainfall. Yes, so medium, moderate rainfall, medium rainfall. So these are the, distribution of rainfall. The next one, the last one, different types of natural vegetation. In this only, we are going to learn about that tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, monsoon forest, mangrove forest, tidal forest, mountain forest. Yes, and wildlife in India. So these are the things only we are going to learn from this lesson, children. Yes, in the introduction part, it is given clearly. Yes, during the time of the summer, we like to, drink much water. Yes, so we will feel, thirsty. Yes, so at the same time, winter season, we won't feel much thirsty. Yes, because, it's a depending because of the climate. Yes, because of the climate. Yes, then likewise, summer season time. Yes, it's April to April, May season, May month and all, we March, April, May, that time, that is summer season, summer time. Okay, so we like to wear only the cotton as well as lighter clothes. Okay, so at the same time, winter season is cold weather season, otherwise called as winter season, we like to wear only the, what type of the dresses? Woolen clothes, Yes, this is because of the prevalence of weather conditions, varying weather conditions are different. Yes, it's changing, varying in the sense changing. Yes, different types of the weather conditions between North India as well as South India. Okay, yes. Then here it is given, children, in your book it is given in the do you know column is equable climate. What is mean by equable climate? Equable climate, otherwise called as British climate, is equable climate, otherwise called as British climate. British climate. Yes, so what type of the climate in the sense? Neither too hot nor too cold. Okay, so neither too hot nor too cold. So that's a British climate, otherwise called as equable climate. Yes, this is the one word answer, children. Book inside one word. Okay, then under the 2.1, what is given in the sense? What are the factors affecting the climate of India? Yes, what are the factors affecting the climate of India? This is the essay answer, children. Listen clearly, carefully, you people have to listen. Climate of India, it's affecting by some factors. Some factors are there. Latitude. Yes, latitude. In the first lesson, when I was teaching the first lesson itself, latitude in the sense I told, yes, so latitude in the sense it's moving. Yes, it's moving from west to east, otherwise east to west. So these lines are called as latitude lines. Yes, so this is the horizontal lines. Okay, latitude lines. Okay, yes, latitude. The next one, altitude. Altitude, what is the meaning in the sense? Height. Yes, height. Then third one, distance from the sea. Distance from the sea, otherwise far away from the ocean. Yes, likewise also we can tell. The next one, monsoon wind. Monsoon wind. Yes, southwest monsoon wind, northeast monsoon wind. So such a thing. The next one, relief features. What is meant by relief features? Physical features. Yes, our country, is bounded by the Himalayas in the north. Yes, oceans by the south. Yes, so these are the things, relief features. The next, last one, jet streams. Jet streams, the upper layer of the upper, jet streams in the sense air current in the upper layer of the atmosphere. Air current in the upper layer of the atmosphere. So these are the things only we are going to learn. Yes, these are the things I am going to explain. Okay, the first one, latitude. Yes, what is that? Latitude. Yes, when I was teaching that first lesson, I told India lies between. Yes, India where it is located. In the interactive session also I told the children. So I showed the picture as well as map, everything I showed. Yes, where it is located in the sense in between 8 degree north, 8 degree 4 minute north, 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north latitude. Yes, so India's location, that one. So here, Tropic of Cancer. Yes, the Tropic of Cancer divides the country into two equal parts, Northern India as well as Southern India. Okay, so here southern part of the India, what type of the climate they were experiencing in the sense of somewhat a cool climate because they are very closer to the ocean. That's what. At the same time, northern part of India, what type of the climate they are experiencing in the sense subtropical climate. So here it is given, see, southern part of the Tropic of Cancer experiences high temperature but no severe cold season throughout the year, whereas The areas of the north, it's of this parallel enjoys a subtropical climate. Yes, so here it is given, children. Yes, I am going to explain with the help of the map, children. So 8 degree where it is located, 8 degree. Yes, so 8 degree. So degree map, if you are checking in the sense, you can easily understand. Yes, from 8 degree to 37 degree. Yes, 8 degree to 37. This is the location. Okay, 8 degree to 37 degree. 37 degree, 4 minute, 36 degree, 6 minute north latitude, like that. The Tropic of Cancer, from where to where in the sense, see, Ran of Kutch to till Arunachal Pradesh. So this is the Tropic of Cancer line. This one divides India into two equal parts, northern India as well as this is southern India. Okay, this is northern part of India. This is the central, central part, Tropic of Cancer divides India into two equal parts, children. Yes, so this is southern part of the Tropic of Cancer, experiencing high temperature but no severe cold season throughout the year. At the same time, the areas, in the northern part of the India, enjoys subtropical climate. Yes, subtropical climate. Yes. The next one, altitude. Yes, altitude. What does mean by altitude in the sense height? Yes, when the altitude increases, the temperature will decrease. That's the thing. Okay, when the height increases, automatically the temperature will be decrease. Okay, so here what is given in the sense temperature for each and every 1000 meters of height. Okay, ascent in the sense height. Okay, uyaram. Okay, yes, for each and every 1000 meters of height, 6.5 degrees Celsius temperature will be reduce, otherwise decrease, otherwise it will be less, like that they are telling. It is called as normal lapse rate. Okay, for each and every 1000 meters height, 6.5 degrees Celsius temperature will be less, otherwise will be decrease. Okay, so the places in the mountains, okay, that's what, the hill stations are become a cooler place. Yes, cooler. Yes, hence the places in the mountains are cooler than the places on the plains. Plains in the sense, flat lands. Okay, so compare that flat lands, mountains area, experiencing what type of the climate? Cool climate. Yes, too much of cool climate. Because of this, yes, for every 1000 meters, 6.5 degrees Celsius temperature will be decreased, like that it is telling. It is given here. Okay, that's what, Ooty, Kodaikanal. Yes, so, hill stations, Mussoorie, Darjeeling, Almora. Yes, so those places, Shimla, yes, so the here and all, are much cooler than the places located in the Great Plains. Great Plains in the sense, which one? Northern Great Plains. So this much only, children, here. The next one, distance from the sea. Okay, distance from the sea. Here, distance from the sea in the sense, that with the help of the map, I will tell again. Okay. Then a large part of India, yes, large area of India, especially in the peninsular region. Peninsular region, where it is? Peninsular region. Yes, peninsular region in the sense, this is the peninsular region. See, this is the peninsular plateau region. Okay, so this is the peninsular plateau region, children. Here only, with the help of this map, I can easily explain. Okay, so this peninsular region is not very far from the sea. Okay, so it's not very far in the sense, it's very closer to the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. So what type of the climate they were experiencing in the sense? Maritime climate. Maritime in the sense, what is that? Coastal climate, seashore climate. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, so those who are located in the, those areas are located in the peninsular region, they were experiencing maritime climate, otherwise seashore climate, otherwise coastal climate. Okay, so this part of the country does not have very clearly marked winter and temperature is equable. Yes, temperature is equable almost throughout the year. Okay, so then areas of central part of India as well as northern part of India experiencing much seasonal variation because, they were far away from the location of the sea. Okay, they were far away. Their places, central part of India as well as the northern part of India's location is far away from the ocean. So that's what, here summers are hot. Yes, where central part of India as well as northern part of India, summers in the sense are very hot. At the same time, winters in the sense is very, very cool. Yes, cold. Yes. Then, for example, it is given in your book, children, the annual temperature. Yes, the annual temperature at Cochin. It's Cochin's location I am showing, children. This is the Cochin's location. This is Kochi. Okay, so this one they are telling is regarding that Cochin, they are telling temperature is here does not, the temperature of Cochin, does not exceed 30 degrees Celsius as its location is on the coast while it has. Okay, so it is very closer to the ocean. That's what, how much degree Celsius? It does not exceed 30 degree Celsius. At the same time, the Delhi temperature they are telling it's far away. Yes, it's far away from the ocean. Yes, so what is the temperature of Delhi in the sense 40 degrees Celsius. 40 degree Celsius. Okay, in where? Delhi. Yes, this is the location of Delhi, children. This is Kochi. Yes, Kochi, the temperature, how much in the sense? 30 degrees Celsius. It is very closer to the ocean. That's what this climate. Okay, yes, 30 degrees Celsius. At the same time, Delhi is located far away from the ocean. Yes, far away from the ocean. That's what, 40 degree Celsius. Okay, so another one example also I am telling children. Yes, here in Kolkata, this is the location is West Bengal. West Bengal's capital Kolkata is a coast. Kolkata also located near the coast. Yes, near the Bay of Bengal. So that's what, it is receiving 119 centimeter. Yes, 19 centimeter rainfall it is getting. At the same time, in the Rajasthan area, Bikaner is available. Yes, Bikaner is there in Rajasthan area. Is only 24 centimeter rainfall only they are receiving. Yes, who? Bikaner. Yes, Bikaner is the name of the place. It is located in Rajasthan, children. Okay, it is located in the interior part of the Rajasthan. That's what, it receives only 24 centimeter rainfall. Yes, at the same time, Kolkata receives 119 centimeter because it is located nearby the ocean, nearby the Bay of Bengal. So this much only it is given, children, in this distance from the sea. The next one, what is given in the sense monsoon wind. Okay, monsoon wind is given. Yes, so monsoon wind para, you can take it. Page number 145, you can take it, children. 145. Yes, in the monsoon wind para, what other things are there in the sense? Monsoon winds are called as seasonal reversal wind. Seasonal reversal wind. Seasonal reversal wind. Okay. So again and again it is blowing. It's a reversal. Yes, again and again it is blowing. That's the meaning. And India remains in the influence of these winds for a considerable part of a year. Yes, considerable part of a year in the sense, the southwest monsoon duration. The southwest monsoon duration June to September. June to September. The northwest monsoon. Yes, the northeast monsoon. Northeast monsoon, October to December. October to December. Yes, so that's a thing. For that only they are given here. See, wind for a considerable part of a year, like that it is given. Then moreover, sun rays. Yes, sun rays are vertically over the central part of India during the middle of June. Okay, the summer season ends. When summer season it will be end in the sense when? Yes, May month. Is it a May month end? Summer season will be end. Yes, so it is because of the because why? What's the reason in the sense? May in Kerala as well as Kanyakumari district. Yes, we are very closer to the Kerala. Yes, that's what we are experiencing the Kerala climate. Okay, so it is because of the onset in the sense starting of the southwest monsoon. Because of the starting of the southwest monsoon, we are experiencing cool climate at the end during the end of May month. Okay. Then, here it is given onset in the sense starting of southwest monsoon brings down the temperature. It's so because temperature totally falls. Yes, of the entire part of India and causes moderate to heavy rainfall in many parts of the country. Okay, similarly, the climate of the southeast India also influenced by the northeast monsoon. Just before only I told children northeast monsoon duration I told. Yes, October to December, like that I told. Yes. At the same time, southwest monsoon duration June to September. June to September. Okay. Yes. The next what is given? Next what is given in the sense, so what is meant by weather? What is meant by? So every day we are hearing the weather report. Yes, the TV, we are hearing after the news, otherwise in between the news they are telling about the weather. Weather in the sense, the state of atmosphere. Yes, state of atmosphere of a place at a given point of time. Yes, this is weather. At the same time, climate in the sense 30-35 years or 50-55 years, it won't be changed. The same climate will be there. Yes, so this season, if it is rainy in the sense nearly 30-35 years, 50-55 years, it will be rainy. So that's a climate. Yes, it's accumulation of daily as well as seasonal weather event of a given location over a period of time. Yes. So over a period of time in the sense 30-35 years, otherwise 20 years, continuously the particular month, if it is rainy, in the sense that is called as climate. Okay, that is called as climate. Yes. The next one, relief. Yes, what is meant by relief? What is meant by relief? Relief in the sense, that is physical features of the particular place. Okay, already I told, I think so, when I was teaching first lesson, I told children clearly, relief in the sense physical features of the particular place. Okay, here, what are the things we are going to learn? See, relief of India has a great bearing in the sense giving on the major elements of climate, such as temperature changes, atmospheric pressure, direction of wind, and also the amount of rainfall. So here, relief features, what is that in the sense? Himalaya. Yes, Himalaya is acted as a barrier. Yes, barrier, then act as a barrier. It is protecting us from the cold polar winds which is blowing in Central Asia, otherwise Central Asia in the sense China. Okay, and keep the Indian subcontinent, warm. Okay, at the same time, North India experiences tropical climate. Yes, even during the winter, because, it is far away from the ocean. Yes, during the southwest monsoon, areas on the western slopes. So, during the southwest monsoon, is western slopes of the Western Ghats, okay, receives heavy rainfall. Is, for example, is Maharashtra. Mumbai area receives more than 150 centimeter rainfall, because it is located in the windward side of the mountain. Yes, so windward side of the Western Ghats. That's what, it receives heavy rainfall, more than 150 centimeter rainfall. At the same time, in Mumbai, nearby Mumbai only, Pune is there. Yes, but Pune, receives a less than 50 centimeter rainfall. What is the reason? In the sense, Pune is located in the leeward side of the mountain, opposite side of the mountain. That is the leeward side of the mountain. Yes, so the next one, that vast areas of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Yes, so these places, vast places, lies in the rain shadow region. Rain shadow region in the sense the leeward side of the mountain. That's what, they are leeward side of the mountain. That's what, these areas. Yes, what are the areas are located in the leeward side of the mountain in the sense, is Tamil Nadu. Yes, mainly Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, is Karnataka. Those areas, receives, it's located in the leeward side of the mountain. Yes, so Western Ghats, receives a very little rainfall. Yes, because, during the time of the northeast monsoon. Okay, during the time of the northeast monsoon. So here during this season, Mangalore is located on the coast, gets rainfall, 280 centimeter rainfall they are getting. Mangalore, they are getting, receiving. Okay, at the same time, Bengaluru, it is located in the leeward side of the mountain. It receives only 50 centimeter rainfall. It's only 50 centimeter rainfall only it's receiving. Which one? Bengaluru. Yes, at the same time, Mangalore, receives a 280 centimeter. Okay, yes. So during the southwest monsoon, listen carefully, children. During the southwest monsoon, that Maharashtra is, especially Mumbai, receives much rainfall, because it is located in the windward side of the mountain. Yes, windward side of the mountain. At the same time, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, those areas located in the leeward side of the mountain. Yes, opposite side of the Western Ghats. So that's what, they couldn't get the rainfall. Yes, so these are the things are given in this para, children. The next one, jet streams. Yes, jet streams in the sense air current in the upper layer of the atmosphere. Yes, so it could determine the arrival as well as the departure of the monsoon winds. Okay, so the jet streams plays very important role, okay, to bring the western disturbances to India. Okay, yes, the jet streams are the, here it is given, jet streams are the fast moving winds, so blowing in a narrow zone in the upper atmosphere. According to the jet stream theory, the onset in the sense, already I told, starting of southwest monsoon is driven by the shift of the subtropical. So here it is clearly given, children. Subtropical westerly jet from the plains of India towards Tibetan plateau, it is blowing. Okay, yes, shifting, otherwise blowing. Subtropical westerly jet. Okay, westerly jet wind, from the plains of India, from the northern plains towards Tibetan plateau, it is blowing. Yes, at the same time, easterly jet streams, cause a tropical depression in the sense, காற்றழுத்த தாழ்வு மண்டலங்கள். Okay, yes, tropical depressions, it's create, otherwise it caused tropical depressions both during southwest monsoon as well as the retreating monsoon. Retreating monsoon, otherwise called as northeast monsoon. Retreating monsoon, otherwise called as what? Retreating monsoon in the sense northeast monsoon. Yes, once again I am telling children, here it is given easily, you can understand. Subtropical westerly jet wind, from the plains of India towards it is blowing from the plains of India towards Tibetan plateau. At the same time, easterly jet streams, it is the reasonable for the formation of tropical depressions both during the southwest monsoon as well as the northeast monsoon, otherwise called as retreating monsoon. Okay, so this much only, children. Yes, so remaining things, in the next class we can learn 2.2 everything. Okay, in the interactive session, what are the things we are telling, that one you got to listen, and then you can mark the questions in the interactive session itself. Okay, need not mark anything, children. Yes, the next class we can see. Okay, children, thank you.